What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt here. Just wanted to do a very quick video today talking about how you can sort of break into the medical device sales field with no experience, and how no experience can actually be a benefit to you, and sort of, what that looks like in a sense. So right now we're sitting at 259 subscribers, trying to get that number to 260 by the end of the day. It is the only way that I grow here. So please leave a like button on, just please leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you aren't already. It would help me out a bunch. So I wanted to preface this video off by just saying, experience is great, right? Like, it's the gold standard. If you have experience, you'll probably be in a better situation than someone that doesn't have experience. But the other point of this video is, if you don't have experience, it can still be viewed as a positive. There are some things that, hiring managers, other people can look at by someone that's starting fresh out the gate, and it actually might be a benefit to you versus someone that has boatloads of experience. So the number one thing for this is, a quote that I always heard, like, the wolf that's trying to get up the mountain is going to work 10 times harder than the wolf that's at the top. So if someone does have experience, they're coming over from another company, they might not work as hard as someone that's starting at the bottom once their chance, has a lot of grit, and is willing to get it done. So if you're starting from that bottom rung, a lot of times those people are going to be working a lot harder than someone that's already up at the top. Another benefit to starting out in this without experience is usually most people can afford to pay you a lower amount than they would someone with experience. If you're a competitive hire, which means that you're coming over from another company or someone that does have a bunch of experience, usually you're going to have to pay them pretty handedly to come over from their company to yours. If you're someone with no experience and can get the job done, they can probably pay you a little bit less and also have the ability to get the job done the same amount as someone that would be coming over from another company. So another benefit to not having experience is the managers can train you exactly the way that they want. Sometimes if you're coming over from another big company, you've probably done things that way, however, since you've been with the company. So it might be harder for the manager to train you how they want you to perform in their region or their little, role. So no experience, you're coming in, they can train you up exactly how you like to, they can formulate you into the rep that they want you to be. Some managers do like that. Other things play big factors into that, but some managers do like that. So this is another one. Generally, people that are younger are the ones that have no experience, and by younger usually means, they have less family ties, they don't have kids, they don't have other obligations, so they are pretty much just going to be workhorses for you all the time, or that's at least what the hiring managers want. You have people with boatloads of experience, generally means that they're on the older side, they have other obligations, they're probably not thinking about work nearly as much as, someone that's on the younger side would, who's willing to get their start, so that can also be a benefit to you. Definitely bring that up in your interviews if you have them, if you're talking to the hiring managers, that kind of thing. So another benefit over here to not having experience is that usually the senior rep in your region, because generally, they'll hire you under someone. The senior rep in that region will take you under their wing, they'll show you everything they need to know, and they will think you are ready and willing to go to bat for the company that you have been hired for. If you're a competitive rep, that person might actually see you as a threat, because they're seeing you come in, you could have a larger book of business and trying to take them out and trying to get all the business. So they might not view you as sort of that innocent person that's trying to get their start in the world. They might view you as someone that's actually trying to take them out down the road. So if you have any interviews with companies, anything like that, please go ahead and let me know. I'd love to be a resource to you. Shoot me an email, connect with me on LinkedIn, any of that kind of stuff. Make sure to subscribe here. I'll be pumping these videos out as much as I can. Take care.